Hi, welcome back to part 5, and this is kind of the monstrosity that I decided to make with the instructions. So, he has visor, cannon feet. He has this flight shield gun thing. He has somewhat of a awkward cannon. I guess they could be flight boosters or somewhat of a defensive backpack if anyone tries to sneak up with him on the back. And yeah, that's kind of what Sit's gun does. Because the instructions that they have here, some of the things just, it's like, okay, who designed these instructions and who actually designed the toy? Because they don't line up right. They're saying that there's supposed to be a pad, but there's no pad. There's a tab, but no slot to tab this tab into. It's like, yeah. So anyway, yep, just a little quick GUI here about all the parts you have. If I push them like this, I believe that's how they were. If not, I don't care. Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy 22, the Cartoon Hasbro's Autobot Sits Gun. Weaponizer. Woo! Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.